Greetings, future millionaires! For your attention, the presentation of InVision.Life. Success only reaches those who are open to something new. How nice that we are all here for this. If your business is still in the garage, don't worry. Maybe you have the promise of the same success as the company Apple. Do you know that the value of this company in 1998 was about $4 billion? Today, the market capitalization of the company is estimated at about $970 billion. Wow, isn't it? Of course, many of those who invested in Apple did not wait until 2018, but those who decided to wait certainly didn't regret. Such a success is not an isolated case. InVision.Life will soon be added to this list. Will you just watch how others are building their future, or take part? It's up to you. InVision.Life is a service that completely changes the world of advertising marketing, thanks to the unique mechanism of interaction between its users. The company was registered in 2017 in the city of Kaunas, Lithuania. In the spring of 2018, it presented itself in the advertising market and released unique InVision.Life applications, on which a team of highly qualified professionals worked. Do you know that throughout the world, millions of dollars are allocated for advertising, since advertising is the main guarantor of the successful promotion of a product or brand? Our main goal is to occupy our niche in this sector because we have a unique product whose vocation is to completely reverse the advertising market. The opening of official representatives of the company, as well as the popularization of the service in the international advertising market. For this purpose, participation in advertising exhibitions of the countries of Europe, the CIS, Asia, and Latin America is planned. The next stage of development will be the withdrawal from the exchange of its own cryptocurrency, working on technology proof of stake. The advertising and trading platform InVision.Life is focused on three categories of customers: users, advertisers, and partners. In order to become an InVision.Life user, you just need to download our application from the App Store or Google Play, or go to the official website. After a simple registration, you can view the ad units. You will be charged on the main balance of 0.33 AC, on the advertising balance of 0.34 AC, and on the commodity balance of 0.33 AC. All accruals are made in the domestic currency of the service, advertising coin, AC, the rate of which is equal to $1. The main balance is intended for all financial transactions and consists of two parts: the primary and the user. From the main part, funds can be used for withdrawal, for the purpose of a new package, for additional payments, for improvement or consolidation of packages, for domestic transfers, as well as for remuneration for new registrations of your partners. Funds from the user part can be used to purchase advertising packages, accept mini, replenish the advertising balance, and to pay extra for consolidating or improving packages. The advertising balance is intended only for payment for advertising. The commodity balance is created for calculations in our shop. What is our main advantage? Only here can you buy goods from trusted sellers. Also, you are able to buy goods for the money received from viewing ad units for real prices without cranking up advertising services. For each InVision.Life advertiser, it is primarily the ability to broadcast advertisements directly to the phones of their potential customers. You have to agree, it's cool. Becoming an InVision.Life partner, you have unlimited opportunities to multiply your income. The main tools for this are advertising packages of different denominations, as well as unique referral and bonus programs. Each advertising package has a minimum and maximum yield percentage. With the help of the bonus system, you can easily raise the interest rate and get even more accruals. Using the full potential of the site, you will easily reach the highest level of profitability. Please note that the mini package can only be purchased for funds from the main left part of the basic balance. It does not participate in referral and bonus programs. Also, auto viewing of ads is disabled for it. By default, each package has a basic percentage of income. For example, the daily income of a package XXL with a nominal value of 5,999 AC is 43.19 AC. After a month, this amount will grow to 1,319.78 AC. In order to find out the maximum possible yield on this package, multiply the calculated amount by the basic period of the package and get 11,998 AC. Having reached the maximum percentage of profitability with the help of the bonus system, the duration of the promotional package is reduced, and in this case is only 211 days. The profit per day is also increasing. Now it is 56.99 AC. In other words, your package will bring profit much faster. After buying a package, you have a unique referral program that has up to 8 levels and a progressive increase in the interest rate, both in the depth of the structure and the cost of the package. The higher the value of your package, the greater the percentage of return you get at each level. Our service provides you with 2 types of bonuses. Increasing your interest rate is a loyal customer bonus and an accumulation bonus, as well as bonuses that increase the level of profitability. These include a quick start bonus, a first level leadership program, and a team leader program. The loyal customer bonus is designed to increase the current base interest rate by 2%. In order to switch to an increased percentage of profitability and become a loyal customer, you need to refrain from withdrawing funds for at least 30 days and have at least one of the main packages. Please note, you are assigned the status of a loyal customer for the whole period of working with the company. The accumulative bonus also gives an opportunity to increase the interest rate. Any package purchased by your partner in the first line additionally brings you a certain percentage of the accumulation bonus. In this example, for all the purchases of packages by your partners in the first line, you get an accumulative bonus of 3.95%. You can use this bonus at the time you purchase the next or any other package, as well as when improving or combining current packages. For the purchase of advertising packages, each partner registered in your first line additionally brings in a certain percentage of the accumulative bonus, regardless of the size of your package. The accumulative bonus is calculated on the condition that you already have one of the main packages. The amount of the bonus you want to use when buying an advertising package, you choose yourself, but not more than the maximum set by the rules of the company. For each package, it is individual. Next, consider the bonuses that contribute to improving the level of profitability. One such is a quick start bonus. The validity period is 30 days from the date of your registration. The amount of compensation depends on the turnover of the first line and is shown on the graph. According to the example, the turnover of the first line was 25,993 AC. That means that your premium is 1,250 AC. If your team is actively developing, bonuses for the leadership program of the first level become available to you. It is calculated upon reaching a certain turnover in the first line, is not limited in time, and has a cumulative character. According to the example, after making the turnover of the first line in 1,000 AC, you get the first reward of 50 AC. The next step is the turnover of 5,000 AC and the bonus of 200 AC. In this example, the turnover of the first line is 25,993 AC. The bonus amount you receive is 1,450 AC. The next type of bonus is the team leader's bonus. When calculating it, the turnover of your entire structure is taken into account, except for the first line and mini packages, and the number of referral levels that are available to you. Depending on the size of your maximum package, is taken into account. In order to receive a premium on the Team Leader program, 4 conditions must be fulfilled. The number of active structural directions in your team must be at least 2. The total command turnover of all available levels of your structure without regard to the first line, mini packages and your personal packages, should be equal to one of the values given in the table or be greater. The total turnover in the remaining structures should also be at least 50% of the turnover you are applying for according to the table. A more detailed look at an example. The number of structural directions is 3. The turnover of the structure of the accounting system of the first level is 28,588 AC. The turnover of the larger structural direction is 14,693 AC. This is more than 50% of 25,000 AC. The sum of the remaining 2 directions is 13,895 AC, which is also more than 50% of the 25,000 AC. All 4 conditions are fulfilled. Accordingly, your bonus is 1,700 AC. The most important feature of our site is loyalty to our partners. For this purpose, we developed a unique program. Do not miss your referral or leadership bonus. It gives you the opportunity to get a lost referral or leader's first line bonus within 7 calendar days in case you have not purchased the package yet, and your partner already purchased, merged, or improved the packages. Or you could get a reward for the Leadership Program Level 1. In addition, this program provides for a discount on the referral program. Viewing a daily ad unit is a prerequisite for receiving accruals on the InVision.Life advertising and trading platform. If for any reason viewing the ad is not possible or not available, you can use the function Auto View Advertising, which is available only to partners of the company. In this case, the advertisement will be distributed among other members of the service. Pay attention to the fact that the fee for this function is 0.05% of the daily interest rate of charges. Accumulated funds you can withdraw using popular payment systems, Perfect Money, Advocash, Payeer, as well as in Bitcoin and Ethereum. To withdraw, you need to submit an application for withdrawal. The settlement period is 1 week. InVision.Life is a unique tool for making money based on mutually beneficial terms, which provides an effective way to advertise, buy goods, and earn without releasing a smartphone from your hands. All those who wish to build their own businesses, we invite to cooperate as official representatives of the company. More detailed conditions can be found on the official website by clicking on the Representatives tab. Please note, the number of representatives is limited. More detailed information about working with the advertising and trading platform InVision.Life is available in the Academy section on the official website and in your personal account. Use the provided service potential, and you will easily reach the largest level of profitability. Follow the leaders. Build your future with InVision.Life.